Hi, wellness seekers. Life gets busy, but keeping your immune system strong doesn't need to be complicated. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple on the go roll on blend using frankincense and lemon essential oils. It's quick, portable, and a natural way to boost your immunity wherever you are. Now, why these two oils? Well, frankincense is known as the king of oils. It supports a healthy immune response and reduces inflammation. And lemon cleanses the body, uplifts the mood, and promotes overall wellness. Together, they make a powerhouse blend to help you stay healthy. Now, here's what you need: a 10 ml roll on bottle, 5 drops of frankincense essential oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, fractionated coconut oil to dilute the blend. That's it. 3 simple ingredients plus the roll on bottle. So let's make it. Step 1: add the essential oils, 5 drops frankincense and 5 drops lemon. Put it in the roll on bottle. 2. Fill the rest of the bottle up with the fractionated coconut oil. Step 3: pop on the roller cap, shake gently, and you're done. Now you've got a powerful immune boosting blend ready to use anytime. Now, to use this, apply the blend to your wrists, to the neck, or even the soles of your feet. For best results, use daily or whenever you feel like you need an extra boost. This blend is perfect for travel, work, or even keeping in your purse. Now, remember to store it in a cool, dark place to preserve the potency of the oils. Now it's your turn. Try making this roll-on blend and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural wellness tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Here's to boosting your immunity.